This is the final of 4 videos showing how the spreadsheet Excel might be used to explore this Ulster Rugby dataset. And here's question 6. Who are the tallest and shortest players and in what position do they play? I'll click on cell G1 to select this header, right click and then choose Sort, and I'll sort them from smallest to tallest, so it's sort A to Z. So now the entire table has been reorganised according to the players' heights. And these are the 3 shortest players, Paul Marshall, David Shanahan and Angus Lloyd. And as you can see from the position column, they're all scrum halves. At the other end of the scale, these are the tallest players, and they all have the same position. They all play in the second row. So there are some clear patterns here, suggesting that in rugby, height is a key factor in deciding what position you're likely to play. And now question 7. In general, are the tallest players also the heaviest? And to explore this question, I'll create a scatter plot of height against weight. So I'll select just the data from these 2 columns. Go to the top left of the screen and click the Insert tab, and then come across to this scatter plot option, XY scatter, and then choose Scatter. And I can resize the chart. And there it is. The heights are on the horizontal axis. And you know that these are the heights because of the range of values. They go up to just over 200 centimetres, and the weights are on the vertical axis. Next, I'll label the axes. So with the chart selected, I'll click Chart Design, it's already selected in fact, and come down to Add Chart Element. And if I come down to Axis Titles, come across to Primary Horizontal and select that option. That gives me a placeholder. Double click on Axis Title and I can type in heights centimetres. And I can repeat the same thing for the vertical label, Add Chart Element, Axis Titles, Primary Vertical, double click on Axis Title, and that's weight in kilograms. And finally, the title itself, it's already there, so I just have to double click it, and it's something like Heights and Weights of Rugby Players. Now, one thing, you can see that the weights run from 0 to 140, but actually the heights have been trimmed. They start at 170. And I might want to trim the weights so that they run from, say, 60 kilograms. So right click on this axis, choose Format Axis, and on the right sidebar another menu appears, and you can see that the minimum value for the vertical scale is 0, the maximum is 140. I can change the minimum value to 60. And now you can see that the plot pretty well fills the chart. And yes, there is a clear pattern here with the points running from bottom left to top right. So there is a good correlation between weight and height amongst these players.